want to address a topic today, again, about emotions. I'm all about emotions, and I am all about emotional intelligence, emotional etiquette, especially for young people. I have a tendency of speaking about emotions. I have a tendency of raising an awareness on how to stay well regulated. And I'm hell-bent on doing this because I believe our young people deserve an opportunity to be exposed to as much information as possible, as I do expose my own kids to this kind of content. My question today is, who doesn't suffer from negative emotions from time to time? I myself do. Is that I was exposed to information that allowed me to compose myself and to compose this content and share it, and willingly place myself in the front line of a dream to help thousands of people, to serve them, to bring my purpose to light. A friend of mine once said to me, as long as you know what your purpose is, you will not go around wandering the face of the earth, never understanding what are you here to do. So it's very important to find your purpose. As I raise the question, I want to bring to highlight that we all have highs and lows. Don't we? Don't we? I do. The one thing that I've learned, the key that I've learned, is what we do with our lows. And I know that there are many people out there who are going through terrible lows with an incapability and inability to deal with those lows. I just want to enlighten you today that the key to this journey that we are on, it lies in what we do with our lows. How do we handle the low that we go through? Are we using our emotions to grow, or are we learning something from them, or are we simply beating ourselves up about them? Let's talk about emotions. Let's talk about it. How do you feel right now? And be honest with yourself. Knowing how you feel right now is the first step to taking control of your emotions. You have spent so much time internalizing them that you actually lost touch with your other emotions. Perhaps your answer is as follows. I feel like this video could be useful. I really feel like I could learn something from this video. However, none of these answers reflect on how you feel, because you don't feel like this. Neither do you feel like that. You simply feel. To be completely honest, you don't feel like this content could be of any use to you. You think that it's just one of those videos that I've just got to keep scrolling. You hide behind the shadow. We hide behind the facade that we keep telling ourselves everything is okay. Do you know that simply telling yourself that everything is okay does not necessarily make everything okay? Do you know that if you took productive and active steps to being okay, that you will actually be okay? Do you know that if you think better thoughts, your energy levels will heighten and the possibilities will seem limitless? Conversely, when you are depressed, everything around you becomes dull. Your situation becomes gloomy. You start thinking more depressive thoughts. You start feeling more depressed because you think depressed thoughts and you attract depression to you. Do you know the wavelength of a negative emotion travels in a rating of a percentage? It travels 100 times faster than a positive wavelength frequency. What I'm saying to you is that the universe does not understand positive and negative. It understands the frequency wave that you travel on. Your thoughts travel on a frequency. Your energy produces a frequency wave. You vibrate. You carry around with you an aura all day long based on what you feel, what you think, and how you interpret what you are feeling at that specific moment. Did you know that?